The PIDGIN project is an interdisciplinary initiative at Hasselt University, and this project brings together experts from different fields such as oncologists, pathologists, biomedical sciences, but also data scientists. Our ultimate goal is to find a more precise way to diagnose lung cancer based on tumor heterogeneity. In this project, microscopic slides are digitized using a slide scanner. And the main advantage of using these digital images is that they can be accessed from anywhere and also processed using a computer. And this allows us to use these images to generate AI algorithms that can assist in making an accurate diagnosis. And the main advantage of these AI tools is that they can detect abnormalities in the tissue that cannot be seen with the human eye.
Our dataset consists of digital tissue slide images. These are digitized using a digital slide scanner, and afterwards they are uploaded on the Tier 1 data platform using Globus, which is a very convenient tool. In our project, we generated a large dataset in a short period of time, which led to unexpected challenges in both data sharing and data storage. Using the Tier 1 data platform as a central storage point ease both the data storage and data sharing.
Due to the sheer amount of data that we generate, it is very difficult to analyze locally. But because of the link between the Tier 1 data and the Tier 1 compute resources, we can perform batch analysis on the data that we stored. The metadata is actually inherent to the image that we upload, but it is very difficult to extract because it is a large file and you need the image locally. But using the Tier 1 data, it automatically extracts the metadata, which then gets stored on the platform itself. Metadata, such as the acquisition time and the acquisition date, is important because, for example, when a slide scanner works badly on a certain date, we can extract all the images from that date, check their quality, and see if there are any differences between images of another date. The use of the VSC Tier 1 data allows us to easily search, retrieve, and analyze our data.
With the help of the Flemish Supercomputer Center, we were able to store a massive amount of data that will help us in revolutionizing the field of lung cancer diagnosis.